She really sounds like Vina Morales. Oh my god. What's up with the nation? Today we have a special request from one of my followers. His name is Hazim Nahar IG, and this time it's a cover by Aina Abdul. She is a Malaysian singer and she covered one popular Filipino song, and the title is Pangako Sayo by Vina Morales, and it became the theme song of one soap opera long time ago, the soap opera Pangako Sayo. This song became very popular not only in the Philippines but also in our Asian neighbors like Indonesia and Malaysia. And I'm curious on how other nationalities would cover or have their own interpretation of this Filipino song. So let's go. She really sounds like Vina Morales. Oh my god. Wow.
Na hindi biro ang umibig, nakapagtataka.
Okay, I like her cover, her interpretation. It's so clear, guys, crystal clear, and she really sounds like a Filipina. Let's listen more. Some parts are a bit slang, but it's clear. Okay, her pronunciation, some parts of the Filipino words are not perfect, but of course it's understandable. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, she's not Filipina, but her voice is really clear. Yeah, but she sounds a bit slang, but more of Vina Morales. She really copied Vina Morales.
Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko, sa hirap ang gihawak nating pag-ibig, upang di
her interpretation is full of emotions. Even though she doesn't understand the song very well, but you know that it comes from her heart. She knows that the song is really emotional. That's why she also gives emotion to her interpretation. Tulad, slang, tulad. It's supposed to be tulad, but she pronounced it as chulad. It's I find it so cute. Yeah, but it's okay. She did it well, but I find it so cute.
akala ko ang wagas na pag-ibig ay sa nobela lang matatagpuan at para bang kay hirap
I like this part.
na paniwalaan.
Guys, she really sounds like Vina Morales. There are some covers of this song with their original style, but I guess she really wants to perfect like the Vina Morales way or style.
Ikaw
her style is like airy. I don't know if that's the correct term. And also, like so emotional. So okay, a bit like that, something like that.
Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa.
Slang tile.
Hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang.
So cute. I find it so cute.
Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at
Wow,
ginawa
nice.
ang ating pag-ibig upang di makalayo.
You can really feel that she really studied the song. I think even the meaning of it. That's why she can give full of emotions.
Kailanman pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko.
Wow.
Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawang ating pag-ibig.
She gave a very strong interpretation. Yeah, she showed her vocal power on this. I noticed that she's trying to give what she learned. She's trying to show what she learned, and then she's also trying to show her own style and her vocal power.
Upang di makalayo'y kailanman pagkat ang tulad mo
So nice.
ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Pangako sa'yo.
Good.
Upang di makalayo'y kailanman pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Pangako.
Okay, so I love that part wherein she made it a little bit longer, and really showed what she can do, and she really showed her talent, her vocal power. I always say that.
Sa'yo, pangako sa'yo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko.
Wow. Nice. Great. Thank you, Aina Abdul, for that very awesome cover of Pangako Sayo. So, my reaction on this is that she have studied the style of Vina Morales. She sounded like almost Vina Morales, but you can also notice that she wants to incorporate her own style. I find it so cute when the way she pronounce other words. Of course, it's not perfect because she's not Filipina, by the way, but it's also pleasing to hear, other nationalities cover a Filipino song. Okay, it's very interesting. I find it very cute, really, and amazing. And at the end, or towards the end of her cover, she really showed what she can do. She really showed her power, and yeah, I'm really pleased with her cover. Thank you again for suggesting this cover by Aina Abdul. Thank you so much, guys. Again, if you have other requests, you may comment below. So again, guys, thank you for supporting our channel. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and keep on suggesting keep on suggesting good singers, especially from other countries. Yes, and I'm excited to do that. Okay, so always take care, guys. Keep smiling and have a positive outlook in life. Okay, till next time. Bye bye.